Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Detox video for you today. If your goal this year is to have a flatter, healthier looking belly, then what you eat is going to contribute for 90% of how your abs, your stomach area is going to look. That's why you need to pay close attention to the foods that you eat. Now this recipe is beneficial for giving the perfect shape for your abdominal muscles. In fact, you can consume this daily and reshape your entire belly, you guys. Aside from being highly effective, this fat burning drink is quite easy to make. It's only going to take a few minutes, and it's also one of the best ways to start your healthy and well-balanced diet. So we're in the kitchen now where we're going to be making this wonderful Detox drink. Now you're going to need a few things, and it's so easy, so simple. You're going to need a handful of parsley. Now this parsley is getting kind of turned. I had it for a little while, so I have to hurry up and use it. But you're going to need a handful of parsley, and you're also going to need 1 lemon, as well as a half a cup of water. Easy, right? So we're going to take off the stems off of our parsley, cut that off. You don't need it. Just the head of the parsley is needed. If you got a little stem, that's okay. All right? So before I get ahead of myself, you're also going to need a blender for this. All right? So what we're going to do, we're going to pour our half a cup of water into our blender. Simple. You're also going to throw in your handful of parsley into your blender. Then you're going to squeeze the juice from your lemons straight into your blender. Very fast and easy drink to make. Every morning you can make this drink, and you're going to be very surprised of how fast you're going to lose your weight. And simple. Now we're just going to blend this up. Alright you guys, so look at that. Now we are ready. Alright, so after you finish blending your parsley, lemon, and water, you are ready to drink. Okay, so that's it you guys. This is your wonderful mixture of parsley, lemon, and water, and this mixture works extremely fast. You're going to be able to see results in only 2 to 3 days. The key to this being effective is the parsley, which is packed with vitamins crucial for proper digestion. This recipe is extremely beneficial for giving the perfect shape to your abdominal muscles. In fact, if you consume this daily, you can reshape your entire belly. And aside from being highly effective, this homemade fat burning drink is quite easy to make, and only a few minutes every day, and you got a wonderful, powerful start to your day. So you guys, let me know how you enjoyed your parsley drink down below. Tell me how you like it. Tell me how effective it is for you, how much weight you've lost drinking this. And like I said, drink it for whatever period of time. There is no specific amount of time. You can have this every morning before breakfast, but this is definitely going to boost your immune system, boost up your metabolism, get your body ready, and flush out all of those toxins out of your body. So thank you so much for joining me on this video, and like, comment, subscribe down below. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know how you like this drink, and until the next video you guys, I will see you then. Bye.
Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.